औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to convert any text into any other language. For example, we are going to use today Google Translator to convert any language into, for example, English into Urdu, English into Farsi, Arabic, or any other language. So how to convert this? First of all, you need to type in the search bar Google, and then you will get this interface, and after that you need to click on here top right corner Google Apps. Click on it, and here you will find different application, and then just scroll down and find Google Translator. Here is Google Translator. Now just simply click on it, and after that here you can convert any language into, for example, I'm going to convert English into Arabic, Urdu, Farsi. So let's try. Here we will paste the text, and here we will get the result. So I'm now going to click on next tab to pick some text from the internet, Google search engine. So here I'm going to write, let's write importance of education. Okay, now I'm going to copy this text, right click, copy it, and then go back to the Google Translator, just paste it over here, right click, paste, and now I want to convert it into Arabic, so click on it. So here's the result in Arabic, and you can even listen this.
يحسن التعليم المناسب فهم الناس للعالم من حولهم مما يجعلهم
Stop it, and you can even get the copy of this translated version and paste it in your Word document, PowerPoint presentation, anywhere. Okay, now let me convert this text into Urdu. Now can you see over here? Proper education improves people understanding of the world around them. Okay, in Urdu, मुनासिब तालीम लोगों की अपने इर्द गिर्द की दुनिया के बारे में समझ बूझ को बेहतर बनाती है, making them less susceptible to the influence of the others, जिससे वो दूसरों के असर व रसूख के लिए कम हसास होते हैं. Proper interpretation of information requires education. मालूमात की सही तशरीह के लिए तालीम की ज़रूरत होती है. Accurate word by word. ठीक है, translated successfully. Okay, now let me convert it into any other language. Let me select Turkish. Now it is converted into Turkish language successfully. Okay, now let me try something else. Now I want to select another text, importance of water. So let me copy this text, right click, copy, and just paste it in the Google Translator over here. Control V, or just right click, paste it over here, and now you can select your language, target language, just click on Urdu. Okay, getting enough water every day is important for your health. Drinking water can prevent dehydration, a condition that can cause unclear thinking. Okay, now in Urdu, रोज़ाना काफ़ी पानी पीना आपकी सेहत के लिए अहम है. पानी पीने से पानी की कमी को रोका जा सकता है. इसी हालत में गैर वाज़ेह सोच का बायस बन सकती है. It means that this app will help you, Google Translator will help you in any language to convert any text or any passage into any other language. I recommend this for Urdu teachers and English teachers so that they can get the translation very easily. And students, you can get the help from here. This is very interesting app, Google Translator. Okay, now let me try another text. Importance of Ramzan. Okay, now let me pick this one, copy it, just paste it in the Google Translator over here. Done. Okay, ji, translated into Urdu. Okay, Ramadan is one of the most important months to Muslim. It is the time of increased worship, spiritual cleansing, good deeds, and acts of charity. In light of Allah's love and mercy towards us, the reward of every good deed in Ramadan is multiplied by 70%. Okay, Ramzan मुसलमानों के लिए अहम तरीन महीनों में से एक है। ये इबादत, रूहानी सफाई, नेक अमाल और सदका के कामों में इजाफे का वक्त है। हम पर अल्लाह की मोहब्बत और रहमत की रोशनी में रमज़ान मुबारक में हर नेकी का सवाब 70 गुना बढ़ा दिया जाता है। Now let me click on this listen speaker.
रमज़ान मुसलमानों के लिए अहम तरीन महीनों में से एक है। ये इबादत, रूहानी सफाई, नेक माल और सदका के कामों में इजाफे का वक्त है। हम पर अल्लाह की मोहब्बत और रहमत की रोशनी में रमज़ान अल-मुबारक में हर नेकी का सवाब।
Okay, ji, after converting this passage into Urdu, now I'm going to paste it in my PowerPoint presentation or even in Word document. So I'm going to copy this passage, copy it, right click copy, and now okay, you know, after converting this text passage into Urdu language, now I want to paste it in my PowerPoint presentation or using email. You can send this to your friend or family members. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to copy this first of all, this text, and then load PowerPoint presentation, click on it, and then just click here, right click, paste. This is the text, and now I'm going to add this translation over here, go back, and now copy this whole text from here. Or just click on this copy translation, click on it, and then go back, PowerPoint presentation, just click here and right click, we paste it successfully. Now I'm going to add one more translation over here. Just create the duplicate of the slide, right click. Now I want to remove this text. Now let's find another text from here. So let's write here the importance of robotics in education. So I'm going to pick this text from here, right click, copy, and now click on Google Translator, just paste it over here and get its translation into Urdu language very easily, or you can select any language from here: Italian, Japanese, Bengali, Urdu, Indian, Swedish, Tamil, Punjabi, Hindi. Okay, I've selected right now English, Urdu language. So now it's converted successfully. Now I'm going to paste this text in my PowerPoint presentation. Right click, copy, select the text. Now just paste it over here. Successfully pasted this text. Now I want to add the translation. Just select it, click here, Control A. I want only this text, so select this, click on copy translation, and now go back to PowerPoint presentation, Control V, paste it successfully, and now you can save this presentation, and you can even change its theme. Okay ji, thank you very much. Take care of yourself. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.